1 to 150 vegan recipes. 150 vegan recipes filled with colorful fresh fruit, nutrient-rich toppings, and full of natural goodness as beautiful as they are delicious. 2 to 100 vegan sandwich recipes. 100 vegan sandwich recipes including breakfast sandwiches, topless sandwiches, chilled sandwiches, deli delights, specialty sandwiches, sweet dessert sandwiches, and more. 3 to 50 vegan salad recipes. 50 vegan salad recipes including legume salads, grain-based salads, vegetable-based salads, green salads, pasta salads, and more. Are you tired of boring meals? Here's your solution: an amazing new vegan cookbook with a variety of dishes that will make any meal look delicious. You'll never have to worry about eating the same old thing again. Plus, it's packed with healthy tips and tricks to help you stay on track with your diet. Get your hands on this amazing cookbook now and start cooking up some delicious treats. POV: when you want to impress your guests with a delicious meal, here's the perfect solution: vegan-based cookbook. With this amazing book, you'll be able to create amazing meals in no time. It's full of delicious and easy-to-follow recipes that are sure to impress anyone who eats them. Get your hands on this amazing cookbook now and impress your guests with your creativity.